if you're unattractive. Oh, Mrs. Potato Head, tell me, is it true that pain is beauty?
Look at the dick on that thing! Donkey dick!
You can drive.
She slumped. She slumped.
So what do you do for a living?
Get a 4, come on, come on. A 4? Come on. Mama needs new shoes. Yes!
You should be dead.
Ew, my casco.
What?
It's a thing, yo, mommy.
How is the, what is the dog doing? What is that?
It's not delivery. It's so much fucking worse. Oh, go fuck yourself, DiGiorno. Fuck you.
I'm having a horrible day. I hope this hand towel dispenser isn't really loud.
If you never had hot Cheetos, cheese, and Sprite together, you're a fucking simp.
Or a mouse. If you are a mouse, you can get the fuck out of my house.
Hi, I'll have 2 fluorescent lights.
I'm gonna take my horse
And feed it to death.
Can you sleep from the other side?
Alright, update. We're at a McDonald's. I ordered a Coke, but they sold me clown juice.
Wake up, asshole.
Ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
I just bought this sick new jug for my room, so now anytime I need water, look at what I have to do. It's so fucking easy.
Okay, put a finger down. You'll be okay. You're not gonna feel anything. Wait, what are you? Look over there. Isn't it pretty?
Fuck that shit up like a motherfucking rock.
Oh! Again.
You got this shit. Let's get it.
I just need the flashlight. I don't even know how to hold this.
Fitness little wiener in your mouth. I said, why would you ask me that?
Please no! Please no! No, please no! Guys, stop!
What did I get?
He spent all his money.
Oh my gosh, Jacob. Download at untap get $sign off per gal every .e.
Wow.
Dad, look at this funny picture.
Oh, yeah. What's this?
Stop playing. Breathalyzer, flashlight, finessing the Fed.
Coming, Mom.
Coming, Mom!
Can you stop trying to? Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, what can I get?
Can I get a McPick? 2?
A McPick.
bells rock. Jingle bells sing and jingle bells ring.
I was here like a bit ago and I asked for ranch with my nuggets and I didn't get any, so can I just get some ranch? No. Okay.
They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you.
Yo, be careful.
Mama said, don't give up. It's a little
Where is he? Where I am?
This year, my husband gave me a very thoughtful gift. It looks small and it looks meaningless to many of you, but on the inside it has a carbon photocopy of a very tiny photo of my labia,